These are flashlights that serves as self-defense devices that I purchased from AliExpress app. Let's take a look as I show to you the function, light samples, and battery test. Let's start with this Mace tactical flashlight. Just to remind you guys that this is not in particular order. So this is the packaging of this device. Expect that the packaging will be crumpled if you receive this device. I've ordered this through AliExpress app from China. This Mace tactical flashlight or wolf tooth flashlight because the tooth design are surrounded in the upper portion of the body, with the length of 35 centimeters, made of ABS plastic with built-in battery. Aside of flashlight, great also for emergencies like breaking windows or glass and self-defenses. Consider this to be in the car always, as we cannot predict emergencies nor we want it to happen. So on the side near your grip or handle, it has also a light function, which is the COB, and the switch button, which it has 4 light modes, and uses the normal micro USB cable. And it says it can survive with raindrops. On the top is the crown design. So these are light mode sample at night, and by the way, you need to full charge to achieve the light you need. As the manual says, 100 meters is the light range can be achieved this flashlight. For the first modes press once, you will have the strong light. As you can see, the strong modes really work, and if you notice a green light, that's the battery light indicator. Then press again, you will have the weak light mode. Well, if you want to save your battery or wanted to have a longer usage while you're camping, then this mode is good for you. Then press again, you will have strobe mode. Well, in most cases, this mode's used in signals for rescue like calamities or in danger situations. This mode helps to locate you in case you need help. Then using this COB can be used in reading at night or in narrow situations that needs light. For strong light mode, 3 hours usage is enough to be used. At the same time, it will consume more battery than the rest of the modes. And for self-defense, it will work but not as heavy duty as you think. It's a bit fragile. When it's run out of battery, this light indicator will be blinking, and the light color is red. Though this is not totally drained, so let's assume this has still 10% of battery left. As you notice, there's still light can be used, but that's limited time only. It will automatically turn off. So let's check how much the capacity of the battery have. As you can see, this is not really heavy at all. It weighs only 175 grams. Carrying this is manageable. As my test, it has 633 milliampere hours. In the manual, it says at 800 milliampere hours battery capacity. So if we'll compute it, 633 plus 10% of 800 is 80, so total of 713. Then divide by 800 capacity stated in manual, multiply by 100. So it has 89% of battery. So in that case, indeed, it has really 800 milliampere hours battery capacity. In my opinion, the flashlight works well, but in terms of the durability, it's 50-50. It will sustain in a not really hard object, but for metal, expect this will turn into pieces. And this is the baseball bat flashlight. So this is the packaging, and all the features and even the directions is written in the box because there is no manual included in the box. So inside the box is this normal micro USB cable and the baseball bat flashlight itself. This flashlight has the length of 30 centimeters, and it is made of ABS plastic and has built-in batteries. Then on the sides it has 8 pieces of LED lights, and then below of it is the battery light indicator, charging port, and the switch button. So this is my light sample at night, and by the way, it has 4 light modes. Press once, then you will have the strong light mode. And if I compare my wolf tooth flashlight and this baseball bat flashlight for strong mode, I can say that the Mace Tactical or the Wolf Tooth flashlight has the better light for strong mode. Then, as you see the blue light, that's the battery light indicator. Then press again, you will have weak or medium mode. As I can say always, this mode is great in saving battery. And this is the strobe mode or flashing mode. Then you will have the COB light mode. Well, in this case, the COB light of this device is the winner compared to the previous, which is tactical or wolf tooth flashlight. This is much clearer and more brighter than the previous. Well, in my opinion, this device for the light, it is not so bright, but it's okay. And the build quality is not that strong. The plastic material used is cheaper. One hit in a strong object, this device will turn into pieces. Then if it's run out of battery, the light indicator is blinking. So let's test now how much the battery capacity has. As you can see, the light indicator is also blinking when charging. But I'm just confused because it jumps to level 2 light indicator very fast, which it should be the first level will be blinking instead. Well, in my test, it lasts almost 4 hours usage, enough to provide light while using the strong mode. For me, that's great enough considering the price of this device. And about the weight, it has only 116 grams, so not that heavy at all. So it takes 2 hours of charging to get it fully charged. But I'm a bit disappointed about the test because it has only 277 mAh battery capacity. But in my test using the strong mode, it takes almost 4 hours continuous usage. Isn't it confusing? Does my battery test is wrong? Please comment below and correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the baseball flashlight. It has the length of 31 centimeters. And the good thing of this device is made of aluminum alloy, which I can say this is really for self-defense, and uses the AA batteries, which is good in my opinion. For me, if it is built-in batteries, some devices doesn't follow the battery capacity which is written in the manual. They will put instead very low capacity. At the same time, if the battery will get damaged, replacement is another burden. While if it is removable, you can use the rechargeable batteries instead of the normal AA battery. Very easy to replace the battery if something happened, though it will have another cost. So this is where you can put the battery. You have 2 options to unscrew. Check this, guys. Isn't really made of durable material? Guys, your comment is highly appreciated. And not only that, it can survive also in water. Indeed, emergencies and self-defenses makes this device highly recommendable. Compare those previous self-defense flashlight. This is very simple. No light indicator, no COB lights on the side. But this is more durable than the 2 previous ones. So this are the light modes or light choices. Press ones, you will have the strong light or strong mode. Well, in terms of strong mode, still the Wolf Tooth or the Mace Tactical Flashlight is the winner. As you can see, the light diameter of the Mace Tactical Flashlight cover wider than this device. one minor problem that I don't like. The position of the power button, it's hard to reach though. Because of the material used, expect that this will be heavy, adding the battery weight as well, so this is the total weight of the device. So that's all. In no particular ranking, these are the self-defense flashlight. Your choice, your preference. Thanks for watching.